So this is the updated text file. So the first table here, the asterisk here signifies that I'm going to bring it into my Power BI template for sales. So dim customer, I'm going to name that to customer on the table, customer table. And then I'm going to scroll down on customer so that you see the various columns, the names. So for example, customer key asterisk means I'm going to bring it in, and I'm going to change the name to customer number. So, and some here, like for example geography, I'm going to merge with the geography table. So we'll just scroll down on customer. You see the various decisions I made here. So anything with an asterisk, I'm going to bring that column into Power BI. So the next table then is dim geography. So I'm not going to load that into Power BI proper, but it will be in the Power Query. I'm going to use it to merge in with into the customer table using the geography key, and I'll bring in city column and these other columns as well with their new names. So the next table here then is dim product, which I'm going to call product. And similarly, the asterisk means I'm going to bring it in. If it doesn't have an asterisk, I'm not going to bring it in. And these are the new names with that arrow. So the product key is going to become product number. So I'll just scroll down that. And on subcategory here, for example, I'm going to merge with the subcategory table to bring in the subcategory table into product. So I'll just scroll down more on product table. So next table is dim product category, and I won't be loading that. I'm just going to be merging information into product. So we have product category key to merge on that, and really it's just the category name I will bring into product. And similarly then with the dim products subcategory, I won't be loading that into Power BI proper, but I will be using it to merge with the product table. This is the key here I'll be merging on, and I'll be bringing in product subcategory name. And I have to use this one as well for merging with the product category table. See how that goes. Next table here then is dim sales territory. I'm going to call that territory. This, for example, is the first one column I'm bringing in, the sales territory, and I rename it to territory number. So you can see the more columns I'm going to use there. So that's the plan set up then for the bringing in these extra tables into AdventureWorks in Power BI.